Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing modern PowerPoint slide. So let's begin, but first of all, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. So the first thing you have to do is insert a rounded corner rectangle and then make it fully rounded, format corners and then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D about 4 times. And then decrease their width if you want, and I'll just put them right here like this and make some of them larger and longer and some of them smaller. So let's duplicate them again and put them right below these, and we'll just adjust our shapes something like this. But for this third shape, let's just make it rounder like a circle and duplicate this shape and put it right here like this. The next thing I'm going to do is select all of them and group them by pressing Ctrl plus G, remove their outline, and then insert a rectangle that covers the outer part of these shapes, and then first select the shape and then that rectangle and then go to merge options and then click on subtract option to eliminate the part that is out of the template and that is not needed for the template. This way we can remove the unwanted parts and the parts that we don't want to use in this template. So all you have to do is just subtract those shapes. Select them and group them by pressing Ctrl plus D, and then you have to go to Insert tab and then insert an image right in this shape. And you can use offset options to adjust their sizes, either length or width. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use. Next, what we're going to do is insert this donut shape right onto that small circle and then decrease its inner outline and then give it a height and width of same length and same number. The next thing we're going to do is just adjust its length. Let me just decrease it. Yeah, something like this. Now put it right into the center and then give it a color from the image using eyedropper and remove its outline. Let me just adjust it. Here you go. Close the format background and insert a text box for the header of this template. Insert your content text and everything else that you want to use in this template. So this text box is gonna be my header. And so let me just bold it and increase its size so that the audience can clearly see what I have written right here. So let's increase its size, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is change its color and give it a bold font. And that's how you make a good impression using your templates on the person who is viewing your slides or template. The next thing you're gonna do is insert your content text. Let me just clipboard it because I have already copied it. And let me just paste it right here and give it some line spacing. Let's change this color to gray. And we're gonna paste it right here like this and move it outwards. And then duplicate it like this and remove its fill and give it an outline of the same color as the font we used previously. So this text box looks just right here. I don't want to move it because it looks fancier, and so I'll just put it right there. Next, insert a rounded corner rectangle and remove it, fill, and give it an outline of the same color as the text. And insert your content text right in this button. And this rounded corner rectangle is gonna work as a button. If you want to give animations, you can. Yeah, so the animation that will look best will be flying animation. So that's all for today, and this is the final result. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to leave down a comment because your opinion means a lot to us.